Right, MC, here we are.
Yep.
In front of the S6L. Stood in front of these a little bit myself.
Yeah.
Just would you talk me through the signal path, just from the beginning until we get it into the desk, and what you're doing with it once it's in the desk?
Cool, yeah. So as you probably noticed, there's a bunch of preamps sitting on top of the console.
Yeah, I did notice that.
So again, this is a color choice. That's what's going on here. It's the old XL4 preamp.
Sure.
So the main acoustic drum, bass, guitar, and Matt's vocal channels, his clean vocal channels, all come here. It's just simply an analog multi down to here.
Right.
Comes in here, AES's into the system. You drive the pre's.
Yeah.
It does what it does. Is it technically perfect? No, but
No.
it's that
It's
thing.
a color that you want.
It's that thing, yeah.
That's kind of part of it, right?
Exactly, yeah. All these channels also hit the stage 64s.
I was
So they
thinking,
do
I was
both.
wondering about that.
Yeah.
To get to the monitor desk.
Well, yeah, obviously to get to the monitor desk, but also it allowed me the option on certain numbers. If I don't want that color, I don't have to have it. So you can see here I've got virtual pre's, XL pre's, or Avid pre's. That allows me to just quickly go, okay, that's the XL88, that's the Avid pre's.
Wow.
So I can flip those anytime.
It's a really cool feature.
Yeah,
that's
it's
a really
quite
cool way to use events.
Yeah.
When we get to our events, if you could show me the event for
Yeah.
that's amazing, because
Yeah.
otherwise that would have been a
Oh, that
other
would have been a
system.
nightmare. Yeah.
How would you
Yeah.
do that? Big multi-chord changes.
Yeah, well, that's what
and-
we used to do, like change the multi-pins and all that.
Oh, wow.
So yeah, it allowed, and well, obviously we'll touch on this a bit more, but this is what informs a lot of these color decisions, was the ability to do something like that.
Yeah.
Because, you're not just making the decision based on, oh yeah, I like XL4 pre's because they do a thing, and then not really knowing what it is that you're not doing.
Right.
This allows you to actually, get the, so for instance, with the summer, I was able to hear, am I just doing that because I think something's cool, or is it actually bringing something to the party?
You're gain sharing on this tour, right? With the monitors.
Yeah. And I remember again, you kind of advised that we went that route, and I was a bit like, well, I don't know, and then it worked, and then I literally have not thought about it since.
Right.
It's utterly seamless.
Right. So just to be clear, both of you have a gain in a pad.
Yep.
Monitor desk is the master.
Monitor desk is the master
So
in this
his
situation.
gain in a pad actually changes the
Actual
analog.
thing, yeah.
And you have a virtual gain in a pad.
Yeah.
And the desk works out the difference between the two of them.
Yeah. Now, obviously there's been various systems like that in the past.
Yeah.
But this really is invisible. It's absolutely invisible.